Good morning, student. This is the subject computer, class 9th. Here, chapter 1, fundamental of computers. The session 1 to 6 is defined or teach by Alan sir, and session 7 to 11 defined by me. And this chapter has 11 sessions. So, dear student, I will define 7 to 11 session, and first 6 session defined by Mr. Alan sir. So session 7, performing basic file operation. Performing basic file operation means customizing file, renaming a file, deleting a file, copy paste or cut paste a file. Customizing a file. How will you change the appearance of folder? For this, you have to just right click on the folder, choose the customize option, choose the image for that particular folder, click on OK button. So the look of the folder, the file will be changed. Second thing, changing the location of the folder. You just with the help of mouse button click or select that particular folder and drag and drop the another location, so it will changing the location. Renaming a file. Renaming a file, it means to say you want to change the previous name which you have already given to the folder in the new. It means to say, first of all, select the file or folder, to make a right click with the help of mouse or press F2 button, give the file name or click on OK button, so your file will be renamed. Third one, deleting a file. First of all, choose the file or folder you want to delete, press delete button from the keyboard, click on OK button, your file will be deleted. Second thing, make a right click on that, choose the delete option, clicking on OK button, so your file will be deleted. But your deleted file will be restored in the recycle bin so that you can again access that on the particular location. Third thing, if you want to delete permanent your file, so press shift plus delete button, your file will be deleted permanently. Fourth, copy paste and cut paste. There is a major difference between the copy pasting and cut pasting the file. Copy paste means to make a duplicate copy of that particular file, the file will remain on the both position. On the other hand, cut paste means moving a file from original position to the other position. The shortcut command for copy is Ctrl plus C and the cut is Ctrl plus X. Now, session 8, the internet. Internet, the network of network. Whenever more of the device, whenever we are sharing about ideas, thought, views, resources with the help of the computer, it is called as the networking, and networks of network is called internet. Internet is a widely ranged network. Thousands and a crore of the computer are connected with each other to share their data with the help of the net over net. Use of internet. Nowadays we are using internet in many fields, in the banking, in the office, in the organization, to transferring data, to sharing thought, for blog, for personal site, for social networking site, for other thing also. Internet is widely used in medical field, in industries, film industries, in creating software and etc. Requirement of internet connection. Internet connection requirement. What is the requirement? First of all, we have to record of telephone line. Second one, the modem. Third one, and the important thing, the two computers or more computers. Fourth thing, a connection. Connection should be wired or the wireless connection. So this is the basic requirement. These are the things to require to connect the computer in your PC. In that, I will show the diagram like COM1, modem, here the ISP1, here the ISP, internet service provider. These are the company which provides you the facility to run internet on your computer, like Vodafone, like Idea, like Jio, etc. These are the companies that provide the internet over a network. So, dear students, this is the requirement of internet connection. Next one is the bandwidth. Bandwidth means how much of data is transferring over an internet with a particular time, like Mbps, megabit per second, 10 kbps, 10 kilobit per second. It means to say The 10 kilobit data is transferring in 1 second, so it shows the speed of the net, internet on your computer. Type of connection, dial-up connection and the broadband connection. Dial-up connection, it provides a software, dialer software to you. They provide a particular username and the code. You should have to write the username and type the code and click on the connect. So it will connect the internet. In the broadband connection, a telephone line will be connected with your telephone line, and you will add that particular line in your computer. So this is the broadband connection. Your computer will be get connected. Next one is the search information. Search information means, first of all, it is very important to tell you how will you search information on the internet. It means to say here the great need of the browsers. Browsers are the platform to run internet on the computers. So there are two types of browser. One is the text only browser, second is the graphical browser. The only example of text only browser is Linux. And the graphical browser is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. The biggest browser, the most important and the default browser which is already attached in each and every computer is known as the Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer nowadays is enabled in each and every Windows. So first of all, open your browser which you have installed in your computer, either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or UC browser or Internet Explorer. Open your search engine like google.com, ask.com, yahoo.com, bing.com. Type your query which you want to search. Like I want to search Taj Mahal, then I will like to type the Taj Mahal and click on search option. So it will search most searched item on the top and least searched item on the bottom. So this is the searching information. Now session 9, the World Wide Web, www, we can say that it is a global browser, global server which have all the information about each and everything. Whenever we follow some rule, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, with the help of the request to the page to the server to give the information to the user so that he can fulfill his requirement. Browser, I have already told you that there are two types of browser, Linux or graphical. Linux means text only browser. Text only browser is always fast because text can be uploaded easily. A graphical browser has very graphics, images, audio, video, so will be slow with the comparison of the text only browser. There are many more browsers out there: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, UC browser, etc. These are all browsers. You can install any of the browser in your computer. By default, a very nice browser is installed in your window named Internet Explorer. Web pages. A particular page, a HTML page on the internet is called the web page, which have information about a particular thing. Now website, collection of the web page, is known as the website. All the information are stored in a particular server about the website. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, it is also known as the address. It is also known as the web address. So we can say that Uniform Resource Locator, it means to say that it is hold the address of any website by which we can search our thing, or we can connect our browser to the server. Next one is the working with IE. I already told you Internet Explorer. It is a very fast browser. It connects very easily to the server. Game. You can download the online game, also run the game on the system. So it is the video game system. Digital camera. Digital camera is a device